Welcome to this short instructional video on how to log in to the TVTC e-learning platform. So the first thing you do when you want to log in is to open a standard browser. So I'm already on the TVTC website. The first way I can access the e-learning platform is to go to the website, which is tvtc.ac.zm, and I'll click on the e-learning platform. That is one way. The second way is to open a new tab and enter the URL elearning.tvtc.ac.zm. When I do that, the e-learning platform will open like it is showing now, and I'll simply go to the top right of the screen and click on the login link there. So when the platform opens, it's asking me to provide my username and password. Now, if this is the first time I'm logging into the platform, I am going to go to the username and enter my student number like that, and then on the password, since I'm logging in for the first time, I'm going to enter change me in lowercase with no spaces, and then I'll click on the login button. Once I do that, it will ask me if I want to save the password. Now, since this is a temporary password, I will say no, I don't want it to be saved, but my student details are shown, and it's now asking me to set my own password, which I have to remember in order to log in for the second time and the other subsequent times. So the first thing I do is enter the change me as the current password, and then on the new password, I now have the option of entering a new password which I am going to create myself for the system. The key thing to remember on the new password that I want to create is that it must have a minimum of 8 characters. It must contain a digit, at least one lowercase letter, an uppercase letter, and a one non-alphanumeric character or a symbol. There are examples here. It can be an asterisk, it can be a comma, it can be a dash, and so on and so forth. So for the purpose of this demonstration, let's say I want my password to be testing123 with an exclamation mark. When I enter it for the first time, I have to enter it again. So this is testing123 exclamation mark, and I enter it again to verify that it is actually the password that I want to use. And then I'll simply click on Save Changes. So now it is telling me that the password has been saved, the one that I have created. So what this means is that the next time I want to log in, I do not need to enter the change me, the temporary password, but I'll enter the password that I have now created. And again, the message is asking me if I want this password to be saved. If this is a device that I'm using as an individual, it's a private device, you can click on update password, then it will save that password so that next time when I want to log in, I don't need to enter it again. But if it is not my password, it's not my device, sorry, then I can just say no, so that when next time I want to access, then I have to enter the password again. So now I have changed the password. I can click on continue. Now I'll be able to see my dashboard, and my student name is there, and my other details, and under my courses I can even see the courses for which I have been enrolled already. So in this instance, I've been enrolled for system analysis and design, and since I'm a first-time user, it's asking me if I want to take a tour. If I want to take the tour, I can click on next so that it shows me the key features of the system. If I don't want to take a tour, I can simply close this and quickly proceed to my course so that I'll be able now to engage with the content. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you are able to change your password on the TVTC learning platform and access your courses. In the event that you do not find any courses under your dashboard, meaning you have not been enrolled but you have made your payments, simply contact your subject lecturer and they'll be able to quickly enroll you onto the program. Thank you very much.